Massive snowball fight breaks out at Washington Square Park after historic NYC blizzard. A massive snowball fight erupted at Washington Square Park in New York City after the historic blizzard blanketed the city in snow, drawing large crowds to the iconic park near the Washington Square Arch. Videos circulating online show groups of people throwing snowballs, running through deep snow, and cheering as the storm cleared, turning the aftermath of the blizzard into a spontaneous citywide celebration. Washington Square Park has become a well-known gathering spot after major snowstorms, with similar large snowball fights happening in previous years whenever NYC gets significant snowfall. Moments like this highlight how New Yorkers often turn extreme weather into community fun, even during major winter storms. Would you join a massive snowball fight like this